All right, hey there, viewers. So, got a 2022 Honda CRV. This customer's complaint is the flashing parking brake light while she was driving. And I scanned it for codes. This was a while ago, but I don't know if I cleared it, but I'll show you the code once I scan it. But this thing has 74,000 kilometers. So it's not just junk that gets in there that causes it to malfunction, but it can just be you know, one of those things where it just fails. Where is it? Let's go anti-lock brakes. I believe that's what that was in. Read fault code. There we go. Current electronic parking brake switch circuit malfunction. So that's the code. I can also clear it now since I have it here. Clear fault codes. I'll do that. Ignition off. Back on. Press OK. Oh. Cleared codes. Read fault codes. Nothing in there, so we're good. So now we're gonna leave this here. So show you how to replace these. It's not too difficult. Everything's just clipped in. I guess some people might want the part number, but I always tell them don't go by what my part number is. You might want to go by your VIN number, right? Because it's not always the same part. So I gotta remove the climate control, and then we're gonna pull up this. Everything's all clipped in, so all you gotta do is kind of just go back here and then just push up. Ugh. It's just clipped in. Oh man, it's tight. Oh, there you go. And this side, right? Because you just gotta flip it up, and then, you know, this bottom part just comes out like that. You probably wanna put this down to here so you can get this part out. You know what? It's probably easier just to pull the climate control out. I'll pull the climate control out. Yeah. Anyways, everything's just clipped in, as you see. Make sure you disconnect the connector underneath so you can pull it out. Get my fingers in there. Ugh. Oh, come on, fingers. Ugh. There we go. That's off. I don't know, you can disconnect that part if you want. Have the whole thing out. There you go. Get yourself a pocket screwdriver. Pull these tabs if you want. I just use my fingernails. That's one side. That's that. There you go. Oh, clip back in. Wait, does it come with the... Oh yeah, it does come with the whole thing. Okay. I gotta get the screws to get it out, so it comes like that. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Should probably look at the part before I start doing stuff, but I guess the part itself comes with the bracket, and you gotta screw that in. So just remove the screws. You didn't have to take the switch out like that. Okay, new switch. I got the wrong way? Yeah, I got the wrong way. Yep, slide it into the grooves. Put your screws back. Yeah. Dinger's dinging. There you go. There we go. Now I can put it back in. Put that thing. So plug it in. Clear all the codes that I set for just disconnecting all this stuff. Because I had to get the ignition or the shifter out of the way. All right, so all this just clips back in. All right. See, set all the warning lights on the dash again. We gotta clear that. Okay, come on, plug it in. There we go. Climate control. Back in. Oh. Go back into the scanner. It's gonna set a bunch of codes in all the other modules, so we're gonna do a health report. So yeah, that's how easy to replace these electronic parking brake switch. Just waiting for it to scan. Everything's all clipped. Yep, everything's all clipped. Yeah, automatic brake hose switch. Yeah, we're just gonna clear DTCs. There we go, all done. No more warning lights. All we gotta do is just actuate it a bunch of times to see if they'll set the code again. Which does not. I can also rescan that rescan ABS. See if there's any pending codes. And there's none, and then that's basically it. So yeah, pretty simple thing to do. I know these electronic parking brake switches is like a common failure, not just on the CRVs, but like the Civics, even on the Odysseys. So I don't know, it's not too bad to change. Everything's just clipped in. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please check down in the link below for my Amazon affiliate store. If you buy something, I get a little bit of a commission off of it. Other than that, I thank you guys for watching.